Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Kirsty and I hope you guys had a great week. In this video I'm going to be doing another mini floral just like the one in last week's video, and I'm doing them mainly because I don't have the time to do a bigger portrait piece. Portrait naturally takes a lot of time to do, you know, there's a lot of details in the skin, and you know, flowers, the florals I like to do a bit more loose and up to interpretation, they're not exact, so it does take me significantly less time, especially being a lot smaller. This is the size of the canvases I'm going to be doing in my mini floral series, which you're going to see quite a lot of these videos in the coming weeks. And if you compare that to one of my portrait canvases, then you realize why it can be a little bit hard to do a portrait every single week. And I have been doing during quarantine, but I am very busy currently doing certain things and, you know, schoolwork, etc. So yeah, so this is definitely going to take me a lot less time, but still the content that you guys might be interested in seeing. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Voiceover Kirsty here, and yes, I'm drinking a cup of coffee in today's video. It's a caramel latte macchiato brought to you by my coffee machine. And in today's video, I'm going to be painting a bush of daisies that you find right outside my house. Yes, like most things I paint, it's a reference from real life and where I'm living currently. So if it's people, flowers, landscapes, things, whatever, it's usually reference from the things that you find directly around me, because I do like to use painting kind of like as a documentation of life, and I think it'll be really interesting to look back when I'm older at how I interpret the things around me, and even future generations to look at, you know, the current century, you know, the year 2020. So this is going to be quite a light-hearted video. I'm not going to be talking about any topics in general, just about things I like. So first thing I really want to talk about is just about hot beverages. I know it's summer and nobody is going to be talking about hot beverages, but you know, I just feel like talking about hot beverages, so that's what we're going to be talking about. I'm very sorry if you hear any strange noises or a dog barking. Augie is just playing right now and he's very excitable, but you know, I can't just shut him off whenever. He's gonna speak his mind whenever he wants. But anyways, I'm not much of a coffee person actually. I know I'm drinking coffee in this video, but that's just because I really wanted to try this particular coffee. It was like in a capsule and it comes out like that basically, so you just put it in your machine and it comes out, and it's because of the caramel. Coffee is a little bit too bitter for me, so I thought, oh, maybe with the caramel it will taste really good. It was still very bitter. It was okay. I had to put some of my almond I can't even speak today. I had to put some of my almond milk in it just to make it a little bit more tasteful. I do like iced coffee lattes that I make myself. I just put an espresso for the machine, an ice cube, and some sweetened almond milk, or I'll add unsweetened almond milk and a little bit of sweeteners, just depending on the day. Usually I just put sweetened almond milk and leave it like that, and it tastes so good. That's my favorite coffee drink, but I don't really like any other coffee drinks. I thought I'll try this. It's okay. I'm more of a tea person. I love tea so much. I don't even add sugar or milk because I really like tasting the herbal notes and, you know, the fruity notes in other teas as well. My favorite will probably be chamomile. Chamomile for some people is really boring, and other people like to put honey, but I don't. I just leave it straight chamomile. It tastes amazing with some ginger biscuits or even like some chocolate, like some Maltesers. Very good. it's just such a warm and comforting feeling when I drink this, especially in the evenings when I'm trying to wind down and sleep. It's just very comforting. It's very de-stressing, and it reduces anxiety of the days and things like that. So that's why I just love chamomile. As soon as I drink a little bit of it, it's like automatic. I just feel so much better. I don't know about other teas that I like. I also like Earl Grey. Earl Grey is really nice. Lady Grey is so good. It's got a little bit of orange, and it's that it's like that sweet orange taste, like Terry's chocolate orange. It's really yummy. And again, I don't put any sugar, no milk, because I really like the taste of the earthiness of some of the teas. I really like that taste. And yeah, so Earl Grey, the normal, and the Lady Grey, probably in my top of the teas I like. I do like sometimes making a latte out of an Earl Grey, putting some milk and things like that, but that's more of a rarer occasion. I do like it straight most of the time, again with some biscuits, some chocolates. Certainly my cup of tea. I don't know what I will rank for my third one. I do like any tea. Like if you get me a pack of fruity tea, I will drink it happily. I do like fruity teas, floral teas, herby teas. I pretty much like every single type of tea. I mean, my least favourite is probably peppermint. Peppermint tea is probably going to be my least favourite tea. I will still drink it, but there's a bit of gag. Like I gag a little bit when I smell it, so it's not very appealing. And there's always, there's never going to be a situation where there's only peppermint tea, so I'm good on that. Oh, actually, I know I said that I prefer my tea straight, but I love chai lattes. I love chai. I can't speak. I literally can't speak today. I love chai lattes so much. I don't know. I think it's the cinnamon, because I love cinnamon in my desserts. It's an amazing spice, so yummy. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I do. I do. Ooh, it looks like we're coming to the end of the video. Anyway, so tea ranking. First will be chamomile, then chai latte. I think, yeah, chai lattes. It's my guilty pleasure, especially if you put sweetened almond milk. And then third will be the Earl Grey and Lady Grey teas. To be honest, fourth can be all the rest of the fruity teas. But anyway, here's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. I hope you guys liked the video. As I always say at the end of these videos, I certainly enjoyed it. I enjoyed today's topic, and I hope you guys did so as well. You're going to be seeing a lot more of these mini florals in the future. I love the size of these canvases, and it's something where I can try out new things without feeling intimidated of the big massive canvas. If you do like these videos, I post every single week, 5 PM Central European summertime. And if you don't want to remember that, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell where YouTube notifies you exactly when I post. As always, please leave a like. I always appreciate any support from whoever's watching this video, and give a comment about the topics that were discussed in this video, or just about the painting in itself. I do sell my paintings, so if you would like to purchase from me, email me with my email, which is fineart@kirstylertxundi.com, or you can contact me on my Instagram DMs. Check out my website, and if you open the description below, I do have all of the links to what I just mentioned, and also links to my blog, and just little fun and goodies. So make sure to check the description box, and I hope I see you next week. See you later.